Hey you, passionate about building skills and gaining real-world experience to pursue your dream career? But what's been holding you back? Limited traditional education that offers uninspiring content, stuck in a sea of textbooks, tutorials, and boring long-hour videos. Tired of searching for the best upskilling platform? Guess what? Not anymore. Now, learning will be an exciting adventure and not a mundane chore. Say goodbye to all your career worries and hello to an interactive learning adventure. Introducing LearNowX, an innovative online learning platform that transforms the learning experience and empowers learners to learn while doing the work that matters, acquire in-demand tech skills by building real-world projects, get trained by the unmatched experts, gain the confidence needed to excel in your career. You dream of becoming a salesforce admin, skilled developer, master of machine learning and data science, or even Python and Java wizard is just a step away. Explore our comprehensive catalog tailored to your interest and career aspirations. Learn from the comfort of your home with convenient online courses. Experience hands-on learning with engaging offline sessions. And you won't be alone in this journey. Over 150 plus students registered, 15 plus trusted partner companies, 50 plus careers thoughtfully built in mere months, and we can build your too. And that's not all. LearNowX goes beyond traditional learning. We bring you the unique internship program to bridge the gap between theory and practice. This is your chance to work alongside industry experts, hands-on experience, solve real-world problems, and make meaningful contribution to industry projects. And here's the best part. Your progress is celebrated every step of the way. Earn certifications as a testament to your dedication and growth. Every student deserves a chance to unlock their true potential. And we as a catalyst transform their aspiration into vibrant reality. Your future is our priority, and we are here to make it extraordinary. So why wait? Join us at LearNowX and let's create your own success story. Learn today, lead tomorrow.